Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the necessary features so WSL can run. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the feature enable commands. You need both WSL and the virtual machine platform. Once done, restart Windows to apply changes. After reboot, set WSL version to 2 with a single command so you get full Linux kernel compatibility and better performance. Make sure your system meets the 1903+ requirement and that Windows update finishes before moving on. Now install a distro and configure it. You can use the Microsoft Store or run the command line installer to get Ubuntu, Debian, or another build. Pick one and launch it. When the distro first runs, create your Unix username and password. Next, update package lists and install essential tools like Build Essential, curl, and Git so development works reliably. If you plan GUI work, install an X server on Windows or configure WSLG where available. This avoids display issues later. Finish by integrating WSL into your workflow and running tests. Access your Linux files from Windows via the \WSL $share or work inside the distro to avoid permission pain. Test networking and services by launching SSH, a web server, or Node. Make sure ports are reachable from Windows. If something breaks, restart the LXSS Manager service, convert a distro between WSL1 and WSL2, and check Windows Event Viewer or WSL debug logs for errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.